some whole wheat cookies. Today is a rainy day and I thought it would be lovely to have something to munch on at tea time. So today I'm going to make something healthy and tasty. The ingredients that you will need are 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour atta, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of sugar or brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, half cup of ghee and 5 tablespoons of milk. Get our dough together. First we're going to take our whole wheat flour atta and put it in a bowl. Next we're going to take our baking powder, our sugar and our cinnamon or cardamom. Now we're going to just mix it so that it's combined. Now it's combined, so we're going to take our ghee and add it in. Okay, so keep combining it and you have to combine it so that there are no big lumps. So now we have that crumbly texture. So we're going to add in our milk now. So you want to gradually add your milk in. My dough is coming together. So now I'm going to again add in some of my milk. It is supposed to be a crumbly dough. If you feel that it's too crumbly, you can add half or 1 tablespoon of milk. So this is how your dough should look. So now let's cut it into cookies. We take our dough and we're going to divide it into 4 parts. So now we're going to take one and place it on a sheet of parchment paper. And then you place another sheet of parchment paper on top. And now gently roll it and do not press it down. Now our dough is done. And we can take off the parchment paper. And now you can use any cookie cutter you want and make it into shapes. So now we are going to take off the excess dough. And now we are going to take our cookies and put it on a baking tray. Our first tray of cookies is done, and before we pop them in the oven, we're going to make some holes on them. I'm going to pop my cookies in the oven. The cookies are supposed to be in the oven for 20 minutes or till they turn golden brown. The cookies are supposed to be 1/4 inch thick. Since mine are a bit thinner, I have to be on my toes to check that they don't overbake. So now we just have to let them bake. I've taken out my cookies from the oven and they look and smell really good. Now we have to let them cool down and then we'll taste it. Our cookies have cooled down. Now let's see how they taste. That is absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to sit on the veranda with a cup of hot chocolate and enjoy these delicious cookies.